A Jamaican firefighter is dead and another seriously injured after a stabbing incident in Michigan, United States. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 33-year-old Jamaican said to be a firefighter is dead after being stabbed during an altercation in Gaylords, Michigan, United States. Dead is Shamar Myrie. Another Jamaican is said to be in hospital in serious condition. According to a report, around 3 p.m., police officers arrived at the scene at Sunfrog Solution, a large manufacturing company in the United States, following an incident of an altercation between two Jamaicans. It is further reported that the Jamaicans were temporary workers at the manufacturing t-shirt company and had just recently arrived in the country. Sunfrog is one of the United States' leading on-time retailer of thousands of custom-made t-shirts. According to the Gaylords Police Department, on the arrival of law enforcement officers, both men at the time were found with severe lacerations and punctured wounds believed to be inflicted by sharp objects, a statement from the Gaylords Police Department said. Both men were transported to the hospital where the 33-year-old man died while being treated and the other underwent surgery. Both men were transported to the hospital where the 33-year-old man died while being treated and the other underwent emergency surgery. Both men have since been identified as temporary workers from Jamaica, with reports coming forward that the deceased is a firefighter employed to the Jamaican Fire Brigade. It's been reported also that he was on leave at the organization at the time of his death. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.